October 15th, and it's still really windy. Standing by the harbor now. And we've got some real dark clouds over top of the Cottrell Apartments. I'm going to take you on a 360 just to show you the weather. It's not too bad. Over there, have dark clouds, looks like there's rain to the south of us. That wind is fierce, we've got gray clouds all to the south, and lo and behold, we have the sun. Yeah, that's the sun over there. Fall day, the weather's just about to just moving across here real quickly. And if I don't go, I'm going to be moving along here real quickly too. The Kincardine Times capturing the weather.